Hey, what's up, MASX fam? It's your boy Phil, aka the Man, and we're down in Shagaramas at Anchorage for Phuket, the premium all-inclusive. I can't wait to eat some food, drink some drinks. Let's go and check it out.
Phuket, held on Carnival Friday, has the pulsating energy of a true Trini celebration with unlimited food, premium drinks, and non-stop soca vibes. The magic of Carnival came alive with happy people, great music, and unforgettable fun. As we step into the party, the spread of food and drinks is unreal. Can't wait to try it all. Eat, drink, and party. This is heaven on earth.
Y'all look so pretty! Oh, look at y'all!
You always ready. You all stay ready. Stay ready. If you stay ready, I gotta get ready. Okay.
Feeling exhausted? Treat yourself to a massage without even leaving the party. After the massage, we're ready to party like it's 1999. halfway through the journey, and the vibes are stronger than ever. Phuket has turned up the energy, bringing together the right ingredients for an unforgettable celebration.
Hey y'all, what's up? It's your boy Phil, aka the People Man. We just finished Phuket. It was absolutely amazing. The vibes in, the drinks was pouring, the food was delicious. Please stay tuned to MASX for more because we have a lot more for this carnival. Stay tuned.
Thank you for watching. If you loved this video, make sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss out on the rest of the carnival action. Let me know in the comments, what was your favorite part? Become a MASX talker for a chance to win awesome prizes. Stay tuned because tomorrow we're turning things up even more. See you in the next one. MASX out.